Good morning, guys. I got a new product to show you. A company sent me something. It's a endoscope. It's got 3 different cameras on it. It's called the Vevor endoscope. This one came charged out of the box. It was fully charged, so there's no reason for me to charge it. It does come with a USB to micro charger that you can hook into a charging device, a laptop, something like that. Comes with a couple ends on it. It's got a little magnet, and then it has a little hook that you can attach to the end of the camera. So if you're trying to pull something out of there that's not magnetized, and then it's got a little extension lens as well, a little extension cover for focusing. And then here is the camera end itself. So there's one camera on this side, one camera on this side, and one camera on this side, and it's LED lit. LEDs on all camera sides. Super easy to use. Take a look at this. So this end right here is a Type-C end. In the top of the Vevor, there's a slot that has a locking mechanism right here. This you will insert into the slot. It will lock in. Hit the power button. Hold it down, I should say. The endoscope turns on. The camera lights up. And there you can see me and my beautiful face here on. So then there's an option here. That's the picture thing. That's the button. You can take pictures while you're in here. You can snap this right here, like right now. Watch this. We just took a picture of that. Now watch when I go back. Now that picture's saved in the file. So let me get back out of there and go back to the camera. And then on the bottom, I think that's what it is here. There it is. There's a different camera. There's a different camera. Back to the original camera. And then you can change the brightness of the flashlight here. There's a button here in the middle. Look at the flashlight. It's got 3 settings. Let's put it on the lowest and let's go out to the car and I'll show you what it looks like inside that Crown Vic engine that I just bought from auction. 214,000 miles on it. This engine. Look how clean that engine is. But there we are, looking sideways at the cam gear. Really nice. Let's go the other way. Look at that. It's super clean inside this engine. You could also use it for another one of the Panther platform issues where down here on the bottom you can try to, where's the tube? There it is right there. You see that tube? This tube right here? This is the one that goes to the back of the block in the front where the water pump sits in front of. You can stick that camera down in there and inspect that to see if there's fluid and stuff all over it. I got some oil on the camera, so it's kind of clouding it up a little bit. Let me clean that off. Alright, let's try again. A little better. Come on now. And there it is. There's that tube again. Yeah, you can see more clear now. And you can stick this all the way down the valley of that intake manifold and check that whole entire intake manifold passage area. We'll flip to another camera angle. And this is the one that goes straight down. And then, no, this is sideways. Let's go to the one that goes straight down. So there's the one that goes straight down, the light on the end. Okay, so there's the light on the end. Now let's stick it down in there and see if we can see that same tube, but from a different camera. Yeah, we sure can. Right there's the tube. It's hard doing this and not having a cameraman and trying to get you guys a good quality video out, but there it is. That's the tube. You can look and see how rotten that is, if that O-ring is still holding up on that pass-through coolant tube that always leaks in the bottom of this intake. It's in pretty good shape. I'd say this old girl still got it. So again, this is the Vevor Endoscope. You can use it inside engines, you can use it different angles, you can use it to fish down inside the interior of cars to figure out where you drop something. You can try to hook something, grab the magnet on the end of it, pick something up that you drop down in an engine when you can't see it or feel for it, but you can see it on the camera. Pretty neat tool. Check it out. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. I appreciate it. And if you're on TikTok watching this, you can find this in the TikTok shop. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Be blessed. I'm not being paid to do these videos. They send me the product, I put it out. If you guys jump on the Amazon and get it from Amazon, I get paid from that, because I'm doing work to show you guys good tools. And also on TikTok, in the TikTok shop, I get a small couple dollars every unit sold. So I just want to be open and honest with you guys about it. I do make something off of it, so if you appreciate helping me and this is a tool that you can use, check it out.